we are hindi naman testing, no, kasi na-test na naman natin ito dati, but rather we are showing, no, another sample video, no, sample video during the night. Okay, kasi may nag-request sa atin na ating viewer, alright, na mag-sample video tayo sa gabi. Okay, so we are using the built-in mic. Nilalakasan ko lang ang boses ko, guys, so that you can hear me clearly. But the thing is, since built-in mic ang ating gamit, maugong ito, no, maugong because of the wind. Okay, so that's wind noise for you, that's engine noise, in other words, split noise. Alright, okay, so ayan, just bear with me kasi nga, ayun, again, ang ginagamit natin is built-in mic. Okay, siguro mamaya-maya, no, a little later, gagamit tayo ng external mic, so we'll see. Ayan, guys, so may nag-request sa atin na isa nating audience, no, hopefully subscriber, but kung hindi naman, okay lang yon, walang problema, basta kaya nating pagbigyan ng mga request ay pagbibigyan natin. And ito nga, ang request sa atin ay isang video. Alright, so isang video during the night ng ating Supremo Air 5K. Okay, so apparently gagamitin ng ating viewer ang camera madalas siguro every night. So night rides, no, ang kanyang plans for the Supremo. Kasi obviously pag araw, lalo't maganda naman ang ang takbo ng panahon, ang sikat ng araw, definitely okay ang kuha. So ganun lang naman siya, guys. Maganda ang panahon, maaraw, of course, maliwanag ang kuha. Now when it comes to the audio, yan ang hindi natin masabi na, no? So ngayon, we are using our external mic. Ayan, external mic po ang ating gamit ngayon, and hopefully na i-set up natin siya ng maganda, kaya we are expecting naman na maganda ang reception. Ayan, guys, again, hopefully rinig nyo ng malinaw kasi we are using an external mic. Okay, video ang nire-request ng ating audience na yon. Okay, so sabihin nating subscriber na lang, no, para madali. Okay, so video ang nire-request ng ating subscriber, pero nilagyan na rin natin ng additional, no. Una, ang ginamit natin ay built-in. Okay, so in our previous video, built-in mic ang ginamit natin. So this time excuse me po, this time, guys, ang ginamit natin ay external mic. Okay, so ayan, of course, we are expecting na maganda ang reception. I mean, how clear? Syempre malinaw naman dapat, aside from the occasional noise na usually na maririnig naman natin sa ating surroundings, sa ating streets. Okay, so ayan. But then overall should be a very pleasant sound experience. Okay, so audio capture. Okay, so dapat maganda ang audio capture nito since we are using an external mic. However, I think this would be irrelevant if ang gusto lang naman if ang habol lang naman ng ating subscriber na nag-request nitong video is video capture. Okay, so for video capture, here it is. We are not saying that it is great. We are also not saying that it is not good. Kumbaga, neutral naman tayo dito. However, if you are going to ask me, ang ano ko dito is sakto lang siya for the price. Okay, so ang ating hatol for this video is sakto lang sa price. Ang kanyang video quality ay sakto lang dun sa, how much is that? I think it's around 2,300. Okay, so for the price of 2,300 or a couple peso more, this is rather an okay type of action camera. Not the best, of course, definitely not the best, but this will do. Yun nga lang, ang mapapansin nyo guys dito sa ating video is that kitang-kita talaga ang kapangitan or ang weakness niya, which is yun nga, that is during night ride. Okay, at night hindi ganon kalinaw, right? Compared, of course, i-compare natin sa kuha sa umaga. Definitely iba ang kuha sa umaga versus during the night. Malinaw naman talaga sa umaga, no questions about that.